So today I'm welcoming a new addition to the mental health community. 988. This is a hotline number designed to initiate care for people who are in a mental health crisis. Now, this is a new thing. They are sort of they're taking over the old nationwide hotline number, but 988 is a whole lot easier to remember. And honestly, I kind of had my concerns about it. There's a lot of information about it. I encourage you to go online, since you're there right now anyway, and look something up. But my concerns, the way they were kind of how it worked. So I called them. I was kind of annoyed initially, honestly, because I immediately was greeted with a automated response.
Human eradication mode active.
But I had to hit one number, basically confirming that I was speaking English. After that, it was 1 minute and 14 seconds later that I was put into touch with Crystal. Crystal helped me clarify what the number is actually for and how it can be used. It's important to note that 988 is not actually for counseling. It is for finding resources and counseling services near you. It is there to help guide you through those next steps. And it is in itself a great first step. One of the fears that a lot of people have in calling emergency lines is oh no, they're going to come and grab me and take me away. Or maybe that's just a Florida concern. 988 was really good at having a lot of information at their fingertips. Crystal was right there to help me find things that are local to my area and kind of provide a comforting ear for what might be ailing me. And while I'm pretty sure that Crystal could have talked me off a ledge, that's not what they're there for. That said, if you don't know what else to do, call 988. And if you're already suicidal, you're not going to do harm to yourself by calling. The concern of having a paddy wagon summon up on the caller, I actually expressed that to Crystal, and she explained that they do not ambush people. They work in conjunction with a person on the line to ensure that that person gets the care and concern that they need. Not, what the person on the line thinks should happen. They basically work with the person to find the best fit for help. It's pretty amazing. And I think I'm going to be implementing that as a little splash page at the end every time from now on. Yay for longer outros, right? If you are concerned or just can't stand the sound of a human voice, linesforlife.org. If you don't want to actually talk to somebody and you prefer to read your information, all of that stuff is going to be right there. Wrong side. There's a lot of good information, and that way you don't actually have to talk with anybody if you're not prepared to do that. But phone numbers are also right there, just in case.